In this lesson, we will talk about how to effectively collect potential client contacts directly from your website, converting visitors into leads. A visitor came to your site, looked at some products and left, and you never found out who they were. Without tools to capture leads, you lose a huge number of potential clients. This is why you should pay attention to forms and pop-ups, a tool that automatically collects data, creates contacts in the CRM, and launches automation flows. There are several ways you can integrate forms and pop-ups with your CRM. The first option is to add a SendPulse subscription form to your website and configure it to automatically create a contact with the subscriber's data. Go to the form builder in the email section under subscription forms. Choose to create a new form or use one of the templates. You can fully customize its appearance, add the necessary fields, and edit the style to match your website. On the form settings page in the top right corner, click the Form Options button. In the Form Data and Type tab, activate the Add Subscribers to CRM toggle. In the Form Builder, for the input fields, select the contact variable in the CRM where you want to save the data. In this case, the following data will be transferred to the CRM, to the contact card. The General tab will store the date and time the contact was created, as well as the source, the subscription form. The data that the user entered in the form fields will be saved in the corresponding fields of the contact card. Please note that a deal is not created automatically. Once the form is ready, you can easily add it to your website. To place the subscription form on your site, you will need its code. To get it, click the Save and then the Save and Get code. Copy the generated code and paste it into the HTML code of your web page between the body tags. Now everyone who fills out the form on your website will automatically appear in your CRM, and you can begin to interact with them. If you created your website on the SendPulse platform, simply add the form widget to the page. By default, deals and contacts are created in the CRM with every new lead. The option can be disabled if needed. Enter a deal name for new incoming contacts and select the pipeline where the contacts should be added. Link the form fields to the deal and contact fields in the CRM. A comment with information about the visitor's source, location, device, and browser will also be added to the contact card. The second option is integration through pop-ups. You can set up the automatic creation of a deal with contact data when collecting leads in pop-ups. To do this, go to the pop-up builder in the pop-up section. In the Data Saving tab, activate the Create a Deal in CRM option. Set a deal name and select the pipeline and stage where it should be saved. If your site was created on the SendPulse platform, the pop-up will be added to the site automatically. If you're using a third-party platform, you only need to paste the generated pop-up code into your website's HTML code once. The following data will be transferred to the CRM. To the contact card, the creation date and time as well as the source pop-up will be saved. The contact's name will be the data entered by the user or the first part of their email address. In the History tab, information about the user's session will be saved. Their browser, time on the site, a link to the site, and the date and time. To the deal card, the deal name you entered and its creation date, time, and source pop-up are saved in the General tab. After a new contact is added to the CRM, you can automatically launch a flow from Automation 360. For example, you can immediately send a welcome email and then after some time an SMS reminder. You immediately begin to interact with the lead, warming up their interest. Before we summarize the entire topic, I want to draw your attention to the fact that all integration statistics are available on the CRM's main page. Here you can see the integration use efficiency as a percentage, which helps you evaluate their usefulness. Integrations with chatbots, online courses, stores, and forms create a unified ecosystem that allows you to establish and maintain a constant connection with your clients. So use smart subscription forms and integrate them with your CRM to start automating lead collection and processing today.